how to turn on or off display file size information in folder tips in Windows 11. Ever notice that little pop-up when you hover over a file or folder? That's called a tooltip, which shows details like file size, number of items, and when it was last modified. While helpful, some people prefer to hide this info. In this video, we'll show you how to easily turn tooltips on or off by changing a simple setting in the Windows Registry. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. System prerequisites to consider. Before we get started, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, make sure you have administrator access to make changes in the Windows Registry. This method works on all versions of Windows 11, and the change applies per user unless managed centrally. Don't worry, this feature is part of the classic File Explorer, so it's not affected by modern Windows interface updates. Method 1. Enable or disable via Registry Editor. Here's how to turn tooltips on or off using our first method. First, press Windows + R, type regedit, and hit enter. If prompted, click Yes to continue. Next, go to this path: H key, current user, software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, Explorer, Advanced. Look for a value called Show Info Tip. If you don't see it, right-click Advanced, choose New DWORD 32-bit value, and name it Show Info Tip. Then, double-click it and set the value: 1 to show tooltips, 0 to hide them. To apply the change, restart File Explorer. You can do this by opening Task Manager, selecting Windows Explorer, and clicking Restart, or by running this command in Command Prompt. After that, your tooltip settings will be updated. Method 2. PowerShell script for automation. This method works great for scripting or managing multiple systems. Start by opening PowerShell. Press the Windows key, type PowerShell, and select it. If asked for permission, click Yes. To hide file size info in folder tooltips, run this command. To show file size info again, run this command. Why manage tooltips? There are several reasons why users might choose to hide file size information from folder tooltips. Here are the most common ones. Disabling tooltips can speed up File Explorer, particularly if you're working with big folders. Tooltips may also trigger background folder analysis, which can slow things down on large or slow drives. Another reason is that hiding them can protect privacy by keeping file details from showing on shared computers. And finally, removing tooltips can make folder navigation cleaner and less cluttered. Adjusting whether tooltips appear when you hover over files or folders can improve performance and personalize your File Explorer experience. Using the registry method is a quick and reliable way to manage this setting. For more information, check out our official blog post on managing File Explorer tooltips, linked in the description below.